start பண்ண சார் என்ன சார் பரவாயில்ல பாப்பா let us try to 2-3 minutes ஓகே சார் சார் அந்த இதுல எல்இ ஆடிட்ல இருக்கேன்னா மீட்டிங் இஸ் ஃபுல் சார் அதுக்காக தான் கேட்குறேன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடுங்களா 2 minutes சார் 2 minutes let us wait. மணிமாறன் சார் நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம் சார் I am S. Manimaran, working as assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering, SRTRP Engineering College. I'm coordinating on the hosting of a 2 days workshop on the Revit architecture and the design. It's my privilege to today research person, the engineer or Uday Sankar, the principal of SRTRP Engineering College, head of the department, my dear colleagues, the students, participants, and faculty from various institutions. Good morning to all gathered here. During this lockdown, it is not possible for civil engineering people to develop the hard skill because of physical distancing discipline. So our team has to be planned, organize a virtual workshop program for the benefits of the students of civil engineering and going to peer civil engineering. About the workshop and the main objective of the workshop, this workshop is a platform where in a depth of modeling of structure, using the Revit architecture software will be the detailed and the discussion in this session. The Autodesk Revit is a robust design and the documentation software application created by Autodesk for architects and the building professional like civil engineers. The tools and the features that make up the Revit are specially designed to support the building information modeling. It's called as a BIM workflow. By utilizing the BIM, that is the leverage for allowing the complex building structures to be accurately designed and documentation in a short amount of time. The software accommodates the changes made in the part of the model to be automatically propagated to other parts of model, thus enhancing the workflow for the Revit users. In which students will be able to know the difference between the various modeling and design software like Revit architecture and design. So the students who are designing or modeling interested want to get more realistic view of the building and our product. The participation all the participants can have this golden opportunity on today and tomorrow. May I now, may I now request the Professor Suresh Raja, Head of the Civil Engineering Department, to provide the welcome address, please, sir.
Professors, colleagues, and my student friends. Good morning to all and all. On behalf of Civil Engineering Department, I would like to welcome you all for the workshop on Revit architecture and design. Here, I extend my cheerful and warm welcome our chief guest, Engineer Shankar sir. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Once again, I heartily welcome you all for this wonderful occasion. So, through this opportunity, I welcome our chief guest and conveying my best wishes. God wish you all the best.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I am profusely overjoyed to take the opportunity to introduce our resource person of the day. He is none other than the engineer R. Udaya Shankar. He is an actor as a structural consultant and a software expert. He has published three number of books related to civil engineering software such as TAG Pro, ETAPS, and the Revit Architecture. He delivered n number of lectures and organized the hands-on training program related to civil engineering software in and around India. Now, I would like to call upon Engineer Udaya Shankar sir to join us, sir. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good morning to one and all. Good morning. A very good morning. Today and tomorrow we'll discuss on Revit structures, how to model in your framed structure in your Revit, and how to take the analyze schedule part and detailing in this Revit also. Okay. Today and tomorrow we will discuss on same in Revit software. Basically, Revit is not civil department. It's common to mechanical, electrical, and civil structural architecture also. It's common to 4-5 department is a civil ones. Okay, not only for civil department. It's common to mechanical, electrical, and then architectural, structural department also. Today we'll see how to create the one framed structure in Revit. Then how to apply the loads and modelings and take the estimation and reinforcement detailing also. Tomorrow we'll analyze in this robot structure how to take the full detailing, shear force, bending moment diagrams and others etc. Okay. Okay, present my screen. So my screen is visible. Voice audible, sir?
It's audible, sir. Screen. Your screen is not visible, sir.
Not visible.
So now visible, sir.
So one second, sir.
Okay.
So now is my screen visible, sir?
Visible, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
First of all, thank you, sir. First of all, I tell about how to download the Revit software for this class. The Revit also free. Use the 1 year license also. You directly go to Autodesk website. You download the 1 year student's license. Okay. Simply log in this Autodesk website. Then I upload your ID card. Then download the 1 year license also. It's a free software. Use it all the comments are visible in this license also. 1 year's free license, students pack and educator and lab base also. It's a free. Okay. Okay, these are the main templates. These are the templates. This one is the construction template, architecture template, structural template, and mechanical templates. Okay, these are the main templates in this Revit software. One is the construction. You make a construction building, that type of works. You go to construction template. Architecture template. You create the elevation and also like a Burj Khalifa, rotating tower, that type of buildings you will create in this architecture template also. Okay, now it's clear. You create the normal G plus 1 2 elevation also. Look like you create a Burj Khalifa building, rotating tower, that type of buildings you will be create a same like in Revit also. Okay, the next one, is a structural template. Today we'll discuss about the structural template. The what is meant by structural template? The structural template is discussing on this creating of framed structure and walls and others also. Okay, that is called framed structures. Next one, mechanical template. You creating the plumbing works, electrical works, that much of works we will do for mechanical template. Okay, I simply click this structural templates. Okay, I click this structural template. I simply click this, automatically it will be opened. 1 or 2 minutes will be taken to opening your Revit files. Okay, I using structural template for I creating my framed structure buildings. Okay, you create the architecture or same like architecture also, a structural building. All of us easily created in this templates. Also, different types of templates is automatically it will be created. Okay, now it will be open. The structural template is loading. So you go to 2018 is a minimum RAM process needed. You go to 2021 and is advanced one is needed some high graphics and high RAM will be needed for opening this Revit softwares. Okay, this is our main screen for Revit software. These are the dialog box icon commands. One is the architecture, another one is the architecture. You create the architecture building like architecture floors, walls, and others, etc. Next one is a structural. Today we'll discuss about structural, how to create the beams, columns, and others, etc. You create the steel structure also. You create the steel structure also and creating the steel connections also in Revit also. You create the beams, columns, steel beams, steel columns, trusses, beam system also. You create the foundation types and the reinforcement detailing also. Next one, systems. The system is nothing but MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. That type of works you're doing in this mechanical is HVAC, plumbing, duct works, duct fittings, and air thermal. That type of works, mechanical works, electrical works doing in this systems. Okay. Next one is a mossing. The mossing is the main one to create the Burj Khalifa, that type of building G plus 13 floors or 20 floors will be created in this mossing works also. Okay, first of all, I simply click this level ones. Okay, first of all, I simply click this level one. Your first step is setting on units in this Revit. You go to any software, your first step is setting on units. How to set the units? Simply go to manage option, then go to settings, then go to project settings. Okay, then go to project settings. Our length, I take into length as a feet and inches fractions. I take a feet and fractions. Okay, I tell about what is by area, volume, and slope and currency. See this only the project units I change into lengths. Then what purpose you will give area, volume, angle, slope, currency. You calculated the floor tiles area also, number of tiles. You calculated the column volumes and the slab volume of concrete, beam volume of concrete. You calculated the angle, slope, and currency also. You calculated the total amount for your buildings and all the things in this. So okay, I one by one I tell about how to create the plans and others, etc. Okay. First of all, I set this unit setting. The next procedure is level setting. Okay, what is meant by level means how many floors you needed in your buildings. Okay, in this Revit, inbuilt is have level 1 and level 2. Only ground floor and ground floor slab is there. I need a G plus 1 2. How to create the another two floors? Simply go to project browser, then there is a elevation building. Click this any elevations. Okay, click this elevation. Already see this, the level 1 is there is a ground floor, the level 2 is a ground floor slab. I need a G plus 1 2. Okay, I need a G plus 1 2. How to create the G plus 1 2? Simple. How to create the G plus 1 2? First of all, click this line. Okay, model line, this name is a, click this model line, then go to create options. Okay, then go to create option, then go to create similar, then go to create similar, and next floor is my 10 feet height, and my next floor is a 10 feet height. Simply go to draw, pick lines. Okay, I need another one floor. Click this, automatically I create the another one floor. I need a another one floor. See this, I simply created this, my ground floor slab. This is G plus 1 G plus 2. I create the G plus 2 floors. Okay, how to create the extra floor means, simply go to project browser, go to elevations, click this east, simply pick this line, then go to create option, create similar, simply pick this line. Okay, simply pick this line. This is our ground floor, this is the level 1 is a ground floor. How to change the name for your ground floor? Simply click this, simply click this, is automatically it simply click this, our name, my name is a ground floor. Simply click this, automatically you go to rename it. Okay, one option is a rename option, then another name is a double click this, click this, automatically double click this, then go to our it is a ground floor, simply change into caps letters. Okay, simply go to ground floor, you change the name also. Okay, ground floor, I simply click this ground floor, then click yes, automatically it change the name also. Then this is my uh, ground floor roof. Okay, this is my ground floor roof. Yes, this is my first floor, right? This is my ground floor, this is my first floor, then this is my second floors. Okay, this is my second floor. Simply change in your name also, you change in the height also, then name also. Okay, this is your ground floor, but the my foundation is below the 10 feet to the ground levels. Okay, see this, I will saw the one diagram in this paint. Okay, I will create the one diagram. uh, so okay, this is our ground level. Okay, this is our ground level, this is our ground level, G plus 2 floors. This is G 1 2. I already created this is level 1 level 2 level 3. I already created. Okay, this much of levels I will be created. This is our ground level, this is our column portion. Okay, this is our column portion, then below that this is my footing levels. Okay, this is my footing levels. Okay, this is my footing level, this is the below ground levels. Okay, this is the below ground level. My footing level, the ground level to my footing level is a 10 feet height. Okay, my for approximately I take this, my ground level to footing size is a 10 feet height. This is my ground level already created, this is my footing level is a 10 feet height. How to create the below the surface of your footing level? Same procedure, simply go to select this, go to create similar, draw, pick lines. Okay, then create this offset, go to minus, you go to downwards means you simply go to minus option, simply click this minus 10, enter. See this, click this, automatically go for minus 10. I change this name, this is my footing levels. Okay, this is my footing level. This automatically I created my footing level in this below the ground level. This is my ground level, below the ground level you go for minus value. Okay, above the ground level you go for plus value. Now understand how to you mention this all the things also. You mentioned this my basement level. See this is our footing level, ground level. This is my basement level, you mentioned this basement level, all levels in this Revit also. This is a ground level to my one 3 feet means 1 meter. This to this, my basement level is a 3 feet. Simply measure the basement. This to this, I need the height. I change this height. See this? Yeah, I changes all the footing levels. Okay, you need this extra lines. You automatically create my basement level, my first floor. You automatically you create it. Okay, this is the main one. You create the perfectly on this level, footing level and ground level, first floor, second floor, my basement level. This my basement level. You simply create it. That is a easy one. This is our creation of your the levels. Okay, first of all, I simply go to footing levels. Okay, simply go to footing level, then I create the grid lines. Grid line means center to center distance of the wall. See this, I'm going to click this wall, right. I go to how to create the wall. I tell that so many time to takens. Okay, so many time I see this, I automatically, once again, once again I go for concrete walls also. Again, yeah, another one wall. This is a normal wall. I go for concrete wall. So I simply click this concrete wall. Simply click this concrete wall means not a shear wall only. I see this automatically create this portion. See this. I go to simply go to view. Once again, this will be loading. Yeah, simply go to create 3D. See this automatically. Sorry. Go to realistic. So okay, first of all I create this grid lines, then go to I create this all the things. Okay, then I go to how, first of all, how to create the grid line means based on your center to center distance of your wall also. See this, I create the paint. Okay, simply go to, this is our plan. Okay, this is our plan. See this, I take this is our plan. This is our outer wall distance, this is our inner wall also, right? What is in by center to center distance means the center to center distance is a intermediate distance of your walls. Okay, this is our center to center distance. You take any analysis of your building, you take the center to center distance of your walls. Okay, for approximate, this is a 20 feet inner size. Okay, 20 inner size is a 20 feet into 20 feet is a total inner side. Our center to center distance is a anyone, our center to center distance is a inner to inner distance is a 20 feet, 20 feet into 20 feet. Our center to center is a, our wall thickness is 9 inch, this wall thickness also 9 inch, total half inch, this is also half inch, totally our center to center distance is 20 feet 9 inch. Okay, now it's clear. This method you will be take the center to center distance. You will go for any analyze software like Statro, ETABS, Tekla, any you take the center to center dimension. How to take the center to center dimension in this methods? Okay, this is one room, and then this is a one room. You will be created. Then my room is simply created the inner wall. This room dimension is 16 feet length. I take this center to center distance. Okay, my center to center distance is 16 feet 9 inches. This 4 inch, then 4 inch added, totally 16 feet 9 inches. Okay, now it's clear how to create the center to center dimension for your walls. Okay, is the first method how to create the center to center dimension. That same center to center dimension I will create it in this Revit also. Okay, how to create the center to center dimension? Simply go to architecture, go to Dutium. Okay, simply go to Dutium, then go to grid. Same like that, you create the center to center method in this grid dimensions. Okay, you create the center to center in this grid dimension. I simply select that grid. Go to different types of grids are there. One is the line grid, arch grid, and same center arch and the pick lines. Okay, I take this line grid. Okay, I simply click this line, and this is my first starting line. Then I need this to this. I need this another column, this to this far, I need it center to this center distance. I need a 16 feet column. I simply created this 16 feet column. This grid line to the grid line, I need 20 feet columns. Simply click this 20 feet column, another grid line, this grid line to this grid line, or 20 feet column, I need 20 feet column. I simply created it. Then this direction, I simply created it. Then this direction to this direction, I need 20 feet, another one column. This automatically another one 20 feet. This automatically I create the another one. Then go to simply see this automatically I created the grid lines. Okay, this is the method to creating the grid line. My building, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 columns in our buildings. Okay, my buildings, I create the grid lines, I have a 16 columns in this building. For the grid line diagram, is a one change is there. Once you this is a x direction, it is a z direction. Okay, this is our x direction, is a z direction. You create the x direction is a 1 2 3, is the z direction is a alphabetical, you change the opposite directions. Once you created this 1 2 3 means it's provided the abc, I tell about later what purpose you give. The one is a numerical, another one is a alphabeticals. Okay, I provided this a 1 2 3, but this is a abcd. Okay, how to change the abcd? Simply double click this caps a, simply click this is our caps b. What purpose you will be give means detailing purpose, it's easy to create the detailing purpose. Next one is a c. Is simply create the C, then D. This is the first step. The first step is the setting on units. You will be set your units, feet or inches or meter. Column. Click this column. Then automatically the steel column is there. I need the concrete columns. Okay. I need the concrete columns. This is same procedure. This is steel column is there. Simply how to change the concrete column means simply go to properties, type of properties, then go to family, rectangular columns. Okay, I change the rectangular column, then go to breadth and height of the column size. My breadth is a 9 inch. Okay, my breadth of the column is a 9 inch. My depth is a 1 feet 6 inches. Okay, I take approximately my beam width is a 9 inch. My column depth is a 1 feet. Please mute your audio. The beam, it is a column breadth width is a 9 inch. Column depth is a 1 feet 6 inches. Okay, I change this automatically. Click OK. How to fix my 16 columns? This is automatically you fix this columns. Okay. See, sometimes it's visible, it change into side view. Okay, then go to structural column. See, this automatically your column will be visible. Simply fix it center distance. You take a center distance, your column will be fixed. See this automatically. I need a 16 columns. See this. I simply fix this all these columns. You change the orientation also. I see this, I simply change this type of orientation. How to change this direction orientation? How to change the column orientation? Simply go to properties, type of properties, then go to duplicate. Okay, then go to duplicate, create the orientation. My column size 2. Okay, column size 2. Okay, simply change in my orientation. My column width is a 1 feet 6 inch, and this is a 9 inch. Depth is a column depth is a 9 inch. This is the orientation method. See this automatically. You change any direction also. See this automatically the orientation will be changed. See this automatically. I fix this column, I change into this orientation. Simply go to properties, then go to already created this size 350. See this, I simply click this OK. This orientation, click this and click this. See this, I created the columns, then go to view, create 3D. See this, automatically our column will be visible. Then goes to east elevation. See this, I saw some problem, the distance is smaller. Why means I first of all I only give the 8 feet, I do not change this, so that is a problem. How to change the column height for 10 feet means simply select that. Okay, simply select the all the columns. Okay. How to change the size means simply select the all the columns. Okay, I simply select all the columns are 10 feet height. Go to properties. Okay, it is the inbuilt is minus 8 feet is there. I need a 10 feet minus 10 feet for my size. Simply click apply. Yeah, then go to delete. This is a one is a steel column. I simply delete the steel column. Delete this, then goes to east elevation. See this automatically my footing level is the my column ground level height. Automatically I create my footing level to ground level height also. Now it's clear how to create the column orientation and column properties also. Change the size and other properties also. That is the main ones. Okay, the next procedure, the next one is the I change the I fix the my column also. The next one is the footing. How to fix the footing for this columns. Okay, is a spread footing is there. You need a another type of slope footing. That the different types of footing you will be created in this manner also. Okay, created in this edit family. You automatically created this edit family. Simply in this Revit only spread footing is there. Simply go to structure, go to foundation, isolated. Okay, simply go to isolated, then go to properties, type of properties. Okay, this is our rectangular footing size is a too large. Then I change my footing size. Okay, see this my footing thickness is a 6 inch. Then my footing size is a 4 feet by 4 feet. Okay, simply enter. Okay, then fix this in this footing size. See this, automatically it's created the footing size. The center point you create the grid line to easily to create your center point also. This automatically it will be created. This automatically created the grid line. Then go to 3D. This automatically the footing will be created. So, okay, this automatically the footing will be created on this below the footing level of this thickness. Now it's clear how to create the columns and how to create the footing level also. Okay, this is our normal footing. How to create the different footings for in this 3D view. This is our normal footing. See this is our normal footing. I create the different footings for my level. See this, I create the eccentric footing. Simply follow this eccentric footing also. See this, simply move this footing in this corner, automatically changes into eccentric footing. See this is converted as a this type of, you simply show this is our eccentric footing also. See this building is simply take the eccentric footing. This eccentric footing is a corner footing. Simply click this 3D. See this automatically this footing will be changes into corners. Automatically considered as a eccentric footing. You will be shown in this eccentric footing also. See this automatically is shown this eccentric footings. Okay, we shown this different types of any footings in this buildings also. So the eccentric footing, combined footing, or raft or mat, same procedure. You need is combined footing. It will be increased your thickness. Automatically provide the combined footing, mat or raft footing, all the type of footings. Okay, I simply created the my foundation and then column also footing. Then I simply created the ground level beams. Okay, ground level, how to create the ground level beams, grade beams. My structure, how to create the ground level grade beams. Simply go to first of all once again, yeah, this is our grade beam. Then you create the any shear wall or that type of wall. Simply go to site condition. Simply click this site condition. Okay, this is our site condition. Simply go to wall, click this, go to properties, then go to concrete walls. Okay, click this automatically. It's create not sorry. Go to structural, go to foundation, go to wall. Okay, simply go to this is structural walls. Okay, this type of structural foundation walls. Simply click this wall. Then I need the some concrete walls and others. Simply go to properties. This is our retaining wall footing. Sorry, this is our retaining footing. I need the wall. So, okay, simply go to structure. This is a wall. Simply click this wall. Go to wall structures. Okay, then go to properties. Type of properties. I need a shear walls. Okay, I need a shear wall. Simply click this shear wall, concrete wall. Click OK, and our concrete wall height is 10 feet. Okay, then go to draw option, then create. This area I need a lift in this portions. Okay, I simply created this lift portion in this area. Then go to view, create 3D. This automatically it will be created in this shear wall. This automatically it's created the shear wall for this portion also. How it's clear how to create the shear wall. Then I see this realistic view means simply go to realistic. First of all, you create the shear wall means you create the 4 columns, then also create the shear walls. Okay, directly do not create the shear walls. Then simply create the 4 columns and then create the shear walls for your buildings. Okay, I simply create the shear wall for this buildings. Okay, now it's clear how to create the shear walls. Simply go to structural, select this structural, then go to walls, wall structural, then go to, then change your shear wall also. This wall I created in this ground floor. You need this automatically put the 4 sides of same columns, then you create the shear walls. Okay, now it's easy. Then simply create the walls and then create the portions. Okay, columns and others. Then I create my footings and columns also. Then grade beam for this portion. How to create the grade beam for this portion? Simply go to site conditions. Okay, I create the grade beams. Go to site, structural, go to beam. Simply click this beam. Okay, this is a normal beam, steel beam is there. I need a property. Go to type of properties, concrete beams. Okay, rectangular concrete beam. I simply give the concrete beam size is 9 inch. Then I give the beam depth is 1. My depth is 1 feet 6 inches. Okay, sorry, 1 feet 6 inches. Okay, I give this 1 feet 6 inches. I create the grade beam for my ground level. You take the center to center portion. Click this, but click this point to point. You create the directly. It's taken into continuous beam like that. Okay, directly. Simply go to check that. Go to view, create 3D. This automatically it's created the grade beam also. In this go to east, check this level. Automatically it's not visible. Another direction I click this north direction. This automatically it's created the grade beam also. Then go to side. I created the grade beam. See this all the portion. I create the all the portion for this grade beam. Go to structure, then go to beam. See this, click this center portion to this center portion, then this center portion to this center portion to this center portion. See this center portion to this center portions. Okay, you create the all like that. Okay, this cut portion to this portion, then create this one. You create the center point. That purpose you will be create the grid lines also. You usually create the center to center purpose. You simply create the center to center purpose of your grade beam also. See this automatically it will be created. This I simply create the grade beam also. This all this portion. Then this direction also. You create the all the direction also. This So automatically it's created the all the directions. This is the procedure. You create a normal beam or any beam. This is a procedure to creating in this beams also. Take the center to center direction. It's a correct one. You go to straight, it's totally take a long beam side. So, okay, this design is totally wrong. You take a beam to beam connection only. So, okay, simply click this beam, then this beam, and this beam also. Now it's see. Simply go to view option, create 3D. This automatically our shear wall will be provided. Then all the grade beams are connected. So, okay, all the grade beams are connected. Then go to east view. This automatically our grade beam will be connected. Then go to 3D. This automatically is connected will be 3D. So I simply delete that. See this room I will be create the shear walls. Okay, this I automatically simply delete that. Okay, in this beam, see this I delete that. I create the pole of the shear wall in this area. See this I simply delete the same procedure. I simply delete this shear wall. Then go to this whole wall will be create the shear wall. Okay. Then go to site option. This is our site. Then go to structure. Then go to wall, structural walls. Okay. Then go to line command. You take this line. That is easy. Click this line to this line. This is our shear wall. You change the shear wall thickness also. Then this line to this line. Take the center. This line to this line and this line to this line. This I simply created the whole shear wall for this lift portion for this area. This automatically it's created the this is a mat foundation. All the mat foundation in this area also. See this automatically the shear wall will be created in this ground floor. Then I created the ground floor slabs and others etc. Then how to create the next floor, then how to create the ground floor slabs. I create the ground floor slabs. Simply go to structural floor area. Okay, floor structural. I take this floor structural. Okay, I simply click this floor structural. I create the ground floor slab. Then go to draw option. Click this draw. I create this one by one slab. Same like that. Click this and mode finish, same like that. Okay, you create a one by one, it's a correct. I will have create the whole slabs. Okay, see this, simply go to, then go to view 3D. This automatically it's created the slab also, foundation slab. I need all the slab for this portion. Same procedure. Simply go to, then go to structural, then go to floor, structural floor. Is go to rectangular. I create a whole floors. Click this point to this point. Sorry, rectangular. I need a rectangular floor. Rectangular floor. I click this point, then this point to this point. See this. Then go to mode finish. So I create the whole floors. I simply created this floors. Click this. Okay. Then see this automatically go to create 3D. See this automatically it's created the floors. Then same like that you created the floor for this portion. Go to structure. Then go to floor architect floor structurals. Okay. Then this type go to rectangular, then go to click this center point of this slab, then go to this center points. Okay, then click this mode finish. Okay, same like that, finish. Yes, this floor on this shear wall is there, so it will be finish. Okay, and join these elements. Okay, then go to view, create 3D. See this automatically it's created the floors also. See this is the shear wall. I create, then these two floors are same procedure to create the two floors are same procedure. Simply go to which one, you go to structural, then go to structural, then go to floor structural, go to rectangular. I created this one floor. I take this center to center portion, go to rectangular. I created this center to this center. This is also shear wall also there. You provide this in the shear wall to take this, continue this effects. Okay. Then go to next floor. Next floor also same procedure. Simply go to structure, then go to floor, then go to structural floor, then go to draw simple procedures. Okay. Then create the floor also. This automatically let's create the floor, then go to mode finish. Okay. Yes. Okay. I simply created the floor, all the floors for this area. This is our shear wall opening. This is our shear wall. Then this are the all the floors will be created. Then how to create the floor? Next floor is a site level. This is our site level. I created this ground floor. This first floor. How to create the first floor column and others? Simply go to ground floor. This is our ground floor, right? Then go to structural. Go to columns. Simply fix this columns. This you increase the sizes also, but you will be fix this columns also. This go to 3D. Sorry, once again. Go to structural columns. Click this center point. Then go to view, create 3D. Okay. Second, I click this area. Yeah, ground floor roof slab. Simply click this columns. Okay, I click this column. Simply click this. Then go to view. Change into height 10 feet. Simply change into height 10 feet. Go to view, create 3D. Go to view, create 3D. This automatically its column will be created. This is our height. Simply go to check this height. East elevation, automatically this height. Simply check this. Go to properties. Then check this height also. It's a 8 feet is there. I provided 10 feet. Sorry, minus 10 feet. Simply click this minus. Click this, automatically it create the next floor column also. Simply go to the ground floor, since automatically create the columns. Then go to structural, then go to column, same procedure. Fix this column sizes. See this, automatically I fix this column for next floor. This orientation is different, right? You give this, I need this all the columns. This shape, center shape is a different orientation. Simply go to architecture, go to structure, then column. I click this column. Click this column. Change the center orientations. Okay, this is the CS2. This is the orientation. Simply click this. Go to our second columns. Okay, first floor column sizes. Simply click this. Then go to view, create 3D. This automatically I created the first floor columns also. This sorry, ground floor column also. I simply created the ground floor column. Then how to create the ground floor beams? This is our front portion. This is our ground floor beams also. This is our ground floor. This is our simply create the ground floor beams. And how to create the shear wall? Same like that. You will be create the same like that. Then how to create the beams for this portion? Go to structure, then go to beams. This normal the grade beam size is a 1 feet 6 inches. I provided the normal beam size is a 1 feet 3 inches. Okay, I simply click this 1 feet 3 inches, click OK. Same procedure, you click this one by one. Click this. I have go to this total. It's a totally wrong. You click by one. This one it's a correct, but I go to long that is a totally wrong this method. But you click this one by one. The time to be large time to be taken. I take continue overall, but it's totally wrong. Okay, you go to click this one by one. That is a correct methods. Okay, I am time consuming. I click this type of portions. Okay, this automatically this direction will be created. Then this portions. Okay, is this portion. Then this portion also is then this portion and this portion also. Okay, I simply click this. Sometimes I need a secondary beam. This portion simply created the secondary beam also. Go to view, create 3D. See this. I need the secondary beam for this portion. See this, automatically you created the secondary beam or any beams in this portions also. This simply created the beams. Next I need the shear wall for this next portion also. Simply go to this portion, then go to structure, then go to wall. Simply click this shear wall, then go to click this shear wall for this center portion, this portion to this portion, and this portion to this portion, and this portion, and this portion to this portions. Okay, then go to view, create 3D. This automatically the shear wall will be created. This is simply the shear wall will be created on this portions. Okay, I simply created the shear wall. This is our ground floor, it will be created. Then how to create the roof level means same, create the roof level. This is our mat footing. How to create the mat footing? Simply create the overall slab portion for this mat footing also. Okay, then I go to how to create the ground floor slab. Simply click this, then go to, I take this overall slab. Okay, the time is less. Go to floor, structural floor, go to rectangular. I take this overall. It's totally wrong, but time confusion. I go to overall slabs. Okay, I simply go to view. Yes, I close this shear wall, then go to view, 3D view. This method is totally wrong, but time confusion. I will be take the overall slabs. Okay, but you go to one by one slab is the correct methods. Okay, this you go to visual style option. Simply click this visual style option, then go to wireframe. See this wireframe loading option, then go to analytical model. Click this analytical model. See this wireframe loading condition. This automatically this beam to this beam. Then shear wall is not transferred to beams. The shear wall is transferred to columns. Automatically load transfer to downward. See this column, this two portion, the beam load will be acting. This is our secondary beam. The secondary beam is side, right? This beam. This loads, all the loads are acting on this side. This is a load distribution diagram for this Revit. Okay. Then go to how to take the 3D view. Simply click this 3D view. Okay. Then go to realistic. I create the realistic view. This I simply created this portion. Then how to create the opening portion for my shear wall. I create the shear wall, but how to give the openings for my doors, for my lift or any other one. Simply click this shear walls. Okay, simply click this shear wall, then go to mode. Okay, then go to mode, go to edit profiles. Okay, then go to mode, edit profile. Okay, fine. So remove the top base attachment, that is a problem, no problem. Then go to rectangular, click this rectangular. I cut this portion also. I need this opening for my door fixing. Simply click this mode, finish. This automatically it's created the opening for this shear wall. Is automatically it's created the lift portion. Sorry, the ground floor not need the openings, only the first floor this needed. Yeah, ground floor also needed in this. Same like this, you go to malls, another, the ground floor also lift portion is there. So okay, it's a car parking or anyone, the ground floor also lift portion is there. So simply fix the ground portion also, cut in this openings. Okay, then you go to first floor, select this first floor also, same like that, select that. Simple, select that, go to mode, edit profiles. Okay, edit profile, then go to rectangular, create the rectangulars. Okay, simply click this rectangular portion, then go to mode, finish. Okay, this automatically it's provided the opening for my shear wall also. Now it's clear how to create the openings for your shear wall. Simply I create my shear walls, then I opening for my shear walls also. This I simply created the footings and columns. and shear walls also. Then how to create the retaining wall for my outer side of my walls? This portion I create the retaining walls. How to create the retaining walls? Simply go to site options. Okay, I simply go to site option. I create the retaining walls. Okay, sorry, footing. I simply click this footing, then go to create my retaining walls. Okay, how to create the retaining wall means simply go to structure, sorry, foundation, go to walls, sorry, go to structure, then go to walls. Okay, click this structural wall, then go to properties. Okay, then go to properties. This is concrete is a shear wall. I need a retaining wall. See, this automatically the retaining wall is there. Simply click this retaining walls. Okay, simply click this retaining wall. Okay, this is our center line. I need this to this portion. I need the retaining wall. This automatically it's create. I overall I need this retaining wall. Simply view create 3D is automatically it's created the retaining wall, but the retaining wall in this bottom portion, simply click this, go to properties. This is 6 feet is the retaining wall. Simply click this 10 feet above, apply. Okay, sorry, then go to top offset. You give this 10 feet height. Okay, simply click apply. Our top of the offset will be provided for this retaining walls. Okay, then click this another option to reduce this option also. Automatically reduce this option also. See this, automatically it's created the retaining wall. See this, then I need this boy this portion also my retaining wall. Simply see this, automatically I created my retaining wall also. Okay, this I need this portion also my retaining wall. Simply click this footing level. I created this retaining wall. I need the overall retaining wall for this portions. Simply go to structural, then go to structural, go to walls, retaining walls. I need this portion to this portion. I need this retaining wall for this portions. Okay, I need the ground floor for this retaining wall. You simply create the retaining wall for this. You differentiate this. Shear wall is different, retaining wall is different. Okay, I simply created this portion for my shear walls, the ground slide area. So I provided the shear wall for this areas. Okay, I simply created the shear wall. See this automatically. Then you adjust the height also. You go for click this, then go to this option also. I need this bottom, automatically create this, then go to this top level. See this automatically to adjust this, then click this, then go to adjust this height also. Click, sorry, click this, then go, sorry, same procedure. You click this automatically to increase the height. Sometimes you go for, sometimes it will be safe, some difficult to increase this height. Simply click this, drag this little bit, you drag this, simply click this, automatically drag this. See this, automatically it will be create the retaining wall. See this, simply click this, simply create the retaining wall in this top to this portions. Okay, I simply created same like that. Simply click this, I simply created this retaining wall also. This automatically it's created the retaining wall in this portion. The shear wall is different, the retaining wall is also different. You show the models and detailing for your building. There is a easy one to create this, all the things for shear force detail, shear wall detailing and the retaining wall detailings, all are easy ones. Okay, I simply created this shear retaining wall. Then how to fix the foundation for my retaining wall? Simply go to my foundation levels. Okay, this is my retaining wall. Then how to create the foundations for my retaining walls? Okay, then simple method, simply go to structural, then go to foundations, then go to wall foundation. Simply click this wall, this is my wall foundation. Simply click this, then go to view create 3D. This automatically it's created the foundation for this retaining wall. See this, automatically it's created the foundation. Then simply click this. This automatically it's created the retaining wall for this foundations also. Is then go to properties, type of properties. You edit the toe length and heel length, foundation thickness, and anybody you edit in this footing design, sorry, retaining wall slab also. You edit in this all the toe length. You study in this DRC subject, toe length, heel length, all the lengths. You will be simply edit this all the length for this portion also. Now it's clear. So how to provide the footing for this slab also. I take this normal one. Then I need the another one. Simply go to structures, then go to foundation, wall foundation. Click this slab, sir. I provided this. Uh, Click this foundation. Okay, this automatically it's go for this foundation. You adjust this toe height and automatically it's created the cantilever retaining wall or counterfoot retaining wall. That is the same ones. Okay, now it's clear how to create the foundation, that type of foundation, cantilever foundation or counterfoot foundation. You will be created it same like that. Okay, now it's clear how to provide the normal footing, then how to provide the some this type of footing. I do not have correct size, it will be adjusted, it's a no problems. Okay, I give some assumption things only. Okay, how to create the shear walls and how to create the retaining wall, then how to provide the retaining wall foundation and others etc. Okay, then go to how to provide the slab foundation, mat foundation. Simply go to structure, go to foundation slab type. Okay, then go to structural foundation slab. Simply click the structural foundation slab, then go to draw. I created this foundation for my slabs. Simply click this, go to mode finish. Okay, then go to view, create 3D. This automatically it's created the foundation slab also. See this, simply it's created the foundation slabs and others also. This is a floor slab, floor structural. This is a foundation slab. You create the foundation slabs and other structural, the mat foundation, that type of foundation you will be create easily in this foundation slabs. This is automatically I created this foundation slab. This is our retaining wall slabs. Then you create the all the retaining walls also in this framed structure. I simply created this all the things. I created this isolated foundation, then mat foundation, how to create the slab mat for your portion, then how to create the retaining wall, how to create the retaining wall for this. Simply click this, automatically it's created the retaining wall. Then go to see the analytical design, see the load options. This is our shear wall. Automatically it's taken shear wall also. Center portion is the shear wall. This is the retaining wall. See, it's different. This is our shear walls. This is our retaining wall for this difference. Now it's clear how to create how to create your retaining wall and shear wall in your Revit also. Okay. Next one, this is our steps is over. I create the footings, columns, and other works. Okay. The next one, how to create the slabs. Will be create the shear walls and others. Then create the concrete columns. Then create the floors also. Floor structural floors. How to create the floors for the first floor and second floor. Then go to foundation. I create the isolated foundation. Then wall foundation for your retaining wall and other. See, this is automatically created. Simply click this, go to properties. You click this, automatically your retaining footing and bearing footings also. You created the bearing footings, you will be automatically you created the bearing footing and retaining footing for your foundations. Okay, this is our first step is over. I created all the things, retaining walls also, that foundation, then our beams, grade beams, main beams, secondary beams, all the things. Next one is a staircase. How to create the RCC staircase in this buildings. Okay, simply go to footing levels. I need the footing level. This is our staircase area. How to create the RCC staircases. Okay, simply go to structural, then go to floor structural and structures foundations. This is a rebar. I tell about how to provide the detailing for your shear walls and beams and others also in this easy methods. Okay, then go to model not a component. Okay, okay, directly go to architecture. Okay, simply go to architecture, go to circulation, simply click this stairs. Okay, simply click this stair, then go to properties, type of properties. Okay, type of properties is a normal architecture stair. Okay, this is our normal architecture stair. I need a precast stair also there. I need a concrete stair. You need any stair, you will be select. This is a normal stair. This is I need a cast in place stair means it's a concrete stair. Okay, it is a precast stair. I simply select that cast in stair. Okay, this is automatically you will be change the rise thread and minimum thread nosing all of us, it will be changed easily, it will be changed. Okay, this is our concrete stair. Simply click OK, then go to how to create my concrete stair. Simply click this portion to this portion. This simply click this, sorry, this portion to this portions. Okay, simply click this component, run this area, then this area. This I simply click this, go to mode finish. This is our concrete stair. Go to view, create 3D again. Yeah, it will be not visible, but this is a method. You go to any direction, see this, our east direction or any direction, it's automatically it will be visible for your staircase also. Okay, this automatically your staircase will be visible. This is a methods. Okay, see this, automatically this our staircase will be visible. This the staircase will be editable also, you get edit anytime. This my YouTube channels another video is there how to edit the staircases and others all of us. Okay, I simply fix this my staircases. Okay, this is a method to creating this staircases for this portions. Okay, it's not visible, it has some graphics option is there, then it will be visible. Okay, you click this view, automatically the staircases will be visible. Okay, this is my staircases area. This is my staircases area. Then how to the opening for my slabs, for my staircases, how to opening the slabs. See this, simply click this in your slab area. See this, simply click this slab area. Then how to openings for your slab, simply go to mode options. Okay, simply go to mode option, then go to edit boundary. Okay, then go to edit boundary, then go to draw, I need a rectangulars. Okay, simply click this, this is my stair opening for my floor. Simply click this, go to mode finish. So okay, this automatically is opening for your staircases any area for your slabs also. This automatically it's created the opening for my your floor also for your staircase opening. Is automatically I provide the opening for my staircase and opening for my slab portion also for my staircases. Please click this elevation, automatically it's provided. Edit the staircases also, you provided another stair and all of us. Okay, this is a method to ramp, you provide the concrete ramps and other ramps for your portion also. Same procedure, you fix it staircase, it's automatically visible in this plan option also. So, okay, now it's understand how to create the different types of footings, retaining walls, staircases, and then columns, etc. So, okay, this is simple method to creating in this model. Then you create, I need the architecture wall also. In this portion architecture wall, I need the window. You simply fix it, is a no problem. I simply go to ground floors. Okay, this is my ground floor. I need this some architecture walls. Simply go to structure walls. Okay, go wall architecture. I need a glass panel walls. Some car showrooms the glass panel wall is there. I simply click this property, go to curtain walls. Okay, simply click this curtain walls. Okay, click this portion to this portion, I create this walls. Simply go to view, create 3D, and simply click this. Okay, sometimes it's not visible. This is the architecture purpose. Okay, the same like this normal floors also. See this one time I will create this. Go to structural, go to wall, wall architecture, then go to property. I create a normal wall also, not a curtain wall. Normal wall, I create this general exterior general wall. Normal wall is a 200 mm thickness. I simply created this 200 mm thickness. Okay, see this, sometimes it's not visible, but it's visible in this portions also, not direction, elevation direction, it will be visible. Okay, this is automatically your structural wall or architecture wall, any wall it will be taken. See this is the elevation view. See this your staircase elevation, this is our foundation, and this is our column, this is our footing also. Now it's clear how to create the all the retaining walls and other shear walls and all the directions. Okay, then next one, tomorrow we'll discuss on analyzing this robot structure. Now it's discuss on how to create the quantity for your concrete beams, slabs, and how to provide the detailing works in Revit. Okay, let's discuss about how to take the my concrete quantity, total volume, how to take the cost estimation for my slabs, and this etc. Also. Okay, then how to I need this total volume for my columns. Okay, how to calculate the total volume for my columns? Simply go to view option. Okay, simply go to view option, then go to create, then go to schedules. Okay, then go to I create the volume for my concrete. Okay, then go to schedule, then go to schedule quantities. Okay, simply click this schedule and quantities. Okay, this is the schedule. You take this all the brick quantities, floor tiles works, any works, you will simply take this quantity for your areas. Okay, it's a simple method. I take this concrete column for my quantity. Simply go to this my I select this, all the things are there, electrical, plumbing, electrical, all of us. Simply see this, I need a structural part only, untick this all of us. Simply structural only, see this automatically analytical beam, analytical, all of us. I need a structural columns. Okay, see this automatically our structural columns. This I simply select the structural columns. Okay, I simply select OK. I simply select my structural column, then go to what are the details you need for your columns. I need the total volume of my columns. Okay, I take the estimation. Then structural material, what type of material I column. Then mark my column number for my portion. I need a length. Okay, I need a length and the estimated reinforcement. I do not give this estimation. Then cost, how to calculate the cost for my total volumes. Okay, then column location mark, this is a not a mark, this is a column location mark. Okay, I take this column location mark for my columns. Okay, then go to simply click OK, just one click, automatically it's prepare the sheet. See this is our total, not I did not give this cost and estimation also. Okay, see this our total volume, see this automatically this is a number of columns, the all the columns of the volume is a different. Then go to this our structural materials, all the columns are concrete, this is our length of the column. See this sheet exported into Excel also, this is our column numbers. See this, the D1 is a this column, D2 is reinforcement is a M30. Now it's understand what purpose you created the grid lines. This is C2. C2 is my column is a 10 0.10 meter cube. Then C3, C4, that type of columns you will be created easily. So, okay, now it's clear. Then how this all the volumes are there, how to add the all the volumes, then how to calculate the cost. Okay, then how to calculate the cost for my volume. You simply you take the, I take the all the column volumes, I simply order to my RMC. I need a 50 meter cube a concrete for me. This is a simple procedure. You simply created the whole building in RCC, you simply take the volumes and other detailing works for your columns also. Okay, simply take the how to take your total cost. Simply go to click this properties. Okay, go to properties. Okay, go to properties, edit type, sorry, edit options. This is our first dialog box. First of all, how to add all the volumes. Okay, First of all, how to add the all the volumes. Go to shortening and groupings. Okay, shortening and groupings. Go to shortening by volume. I need a full volume. Then go to grand totals. Okay, I need totals only. Simply click this totals only. Click OK. See this automatically. It will be volume. All the totals volume. Sorry. Click this, go to property, type of property, go to edit, sorry, go to filters. First you go to filters and shortening and grouping. Okay, I need a volume, click this volume, totals only. Okay, then go to formatting. Okay, then go to formatting. I need a volume total, click this volume, then go to calculate totals. Okay, simply click this calculate totals and then go to this I needed calculate totals only, simply click OK, then click this. Says automatically your total volume is 8.75 meter cubes. Okay, simply order to in your RMC also. You need a G plus 16.4 or 17.4. You take a manual wise, you calculate the volume is so difficult. It's the easy method to calculating the volume in this area also. Okay, this is a good manner to get. Then how to create the total cost for my volumes? Okay, this is a simple method. Go to properties, first step, first page is the edit page. Go to shortening and grouping, then sorry, first page. Okay, this page, go to create some formulas. Go to fx, this is the formula. Create the fx. Okay, I calculate the total cost. I simply enter my total cost. Okay, simply enter my total cost. Then go to type. I calculate into volumes. Okay, I simply enter volume. Then I create the formula also. How to create the formula? Simply go to click this formula. Click this formula. My cost, click OK, cost into your keypad, shift star button into my volumes. Okay, click OK, that is a total cost. My formula is the first is this is a name only. I create a total cost. This is my name only. Type, I take a volume. This a formula is cost into volumes. Okay, I create the cost into volume. Click OK. This automatically it will be created. Then I need the total cost. Simply click this total cost, then go to formatting, click this total cost, calculate the totals, click OK. This automatically the total cost will be added. You simply enter the per meter cube 1000 per meter cube for my concrete. Simply enter 18,000. Click this. Then all the materials have same size. Click OK. This automatically it's created the cost. This is a different size. I created this size also 1800. Enter. Yes, okay. See this automatically per meter cube is a 18,800 into this 87 rupees meter cube, and the total cost is a 1,34,591 rupees. Our total cost our volume of our meter cube. See this, simply you will be calculated this total cost for your building also. Sorry, concrete volume, same procedure for footing. Another one is automatically your volume into cost. You simply calculated this 18,000, sorry 18,000, will be automatically your total volume of your concrete is 1,34,591 rupees. Now it's clear how to calculate the total volume. The same procedure also footings and all of us. I created the beam volumes and slab means simply go to view option. Okay, simply go to view option, create schedule and quantities. Okay, schedule and quantities. Save your project. Sometimes it will be automatically closed. So save your files. Okay, simply save your files, then go to save any names. Okay, okay, save and work that. Okay, simply give save it, automatically file will be save it. Okay, then I create the another one details and amount for this area. Simply go to same, simply go to view, then go to schedule option, then create the any other schedules also. So okay, simply go to view, I need another schedule. I take this trusses, you take this trusses, I need the walls, levers, another is there, loads and foundations, I need a foundations. I simply click this foundations, columns, bearing, area of reinforcement, stairs, landing, runs, supports, all the things are the roofs. You will be simply take this all the things. Okay, isolated foundations, you take the isolated foundation schedule. So please mute your audio. I take this wall foundation. I simply click this. Sir, please mute your audio. Uh, sir, please mute your audio. Otherwise, go out of my section. Then you go to analytical wall foundation. I take this wall foundation for this. I simply click OK. Same procedure, you take this foundation numbers and created all the things you will be created. Okay, that type of foundation you will be take this another one, then go to same like that, go to create schedule and quantities. Okay, this is an analytical method. I tell about how to take the analytical method also. These are the structural materials. Okay, structural internal loads and structural loads, you will be take the load also, path reinforcement, reboard stiffness and foundations, you will be take this foundations also, columns and beams, frame connection, area reinforcement. I take the foundation, simply click this foundations. Okay, I take this foundation, simply I need the width of my foundation, I need the wall of my foundation, structural usage, I take the structural usage, and then I need a length of my footing, heel length and a foundation thickness, I take this foundation thickness. Okay, I simply click OK. Is automatically is a different types of footing. This is a normal our isolated footings all of us. This is our retaining wall, this is our different types of footings. Okay, see this, once you give the footing, automatically in the sheet will be calculated. Your name is retaining footing, automatically its name as a retaining footing. This is our one of our slab footing, this is our normal isolated footing. You different this different types of footing, the same procedure we will follow that. This automatically you created this estimate, cost estimation and others also. In this structural detailing, it's a simple one, you simply create the foundation details and others etc. I create the total cost for this same procedure, go to properties, then go to edit. Okay, I simply go to edit, go to go to field, go to formula, then go to total cost. Okay, this is my total cost for my volume for my all foundations. Okay, total cost, I simply enter the total cost, simply enter the total cost, then go to my volumes. Okay, simply click this volume, then go to volume, simply click this volume into, I do not take this cost also, I take this is cost, then go to formula, then go to total cost, then go to our area is volume, simply click this our formula volume into our cost, simply click this cost also, click OK, click, our formula will be created, go to formatting, our total cost, calculate totals. Okay, simply click, automatically it will be created. Okay, okay, this automatically it will be created. I'm using M20 grade concrete for my footing. Okay, normal footing, this is a M35. Okay, this is a M20, this is a M25 grade for my retaining wall. This is for my this for my M25, different cost. This is our this normal footing cost is a uh, assume as a 15,000. Okay, per meter cube, simply click yes, only for this my footing only I need the 15,000 cost. Okay, I simply click this yes, automatically it will be created. Okay, 15,000, click this yes, only for my isolated footing, give okay, this is automatically only cost for my isolated footing. My retaining wall, I need the footing for 1800 rupees. I simply click this 1800 rupees, sorry, 18,000. Simply click yes. My retaining wall grade is high. Automatically my shear wall is 20,000. I increase my grade also. Okay, click this okay. This automatically it's created the total cost for your footings also. Then how to create the total cost? Simply go to properties, type of properties, then go to edit, sorry, go to properties, properties, then go to edit, appearance, formatting, you go to total cost, then go to calculate totals, then click OK. Sorry, otherwise you create this one, sorry. Go to short in groupings, go to total plots, grand totals, totals only, then go to formatting, you create the total cost, then click OK. See this, our all the footing, our total cost is a 35,000, 3,56,412 also. Our total cost, all the footings, retaining all footings and a normal mat footing and isolated footing, all the total cost or the footing is a maximum 3,56,000. Okay. This sheet is exported into Excel also. Okay. This sheet is exported into directly on Excel also. Now it's clear how to create your schedule sheet also. You will be create the normal architecture also, window quantity, other than window quantity, window doors, brick or calculation, slab for size, the same procedure you will be create in this manner. Okay, now it's clear. This procedure you will be create the quantities for your retaining wall and normal footing, shear walls and columns. You create the beams and the floor slabs, you will be simply created it, and staircase also. So, okay, okay, now it's clear. This is a method to creating in your framed structure. Then go to created this whole things. Okay, this is a method. Okay, now it's clear how to create the other than beams and columns and framed structure and other works in this areas. Okay, this is the other works. Sometimes it's not visible. You go to click this right click or any click, automatically it will be visible. Otherwise you go for view, user in windows, user interface, click this I need a project browser. Automatically sometimes it will be invisible. You go for windows, user interface, you go to project browser, automatically it will be visible. So, okay, now it's clear how to create your framed structure and then different types of structural conditions and others, etc. So, okay, then I complete. Tomorrow will be discuss on reinforcement also. Okay, the more time to be taken. Tomorrow we'll discuss on how to provide the easy method in reinforcement detailing and the cost estimation and reinforcement also. You give the retaining wall detailing reinforcement also in easy method also. Tomorrow we'll discuss on briefly, then how to analyze the robot structure, then how to prepare the sheet, all things in one sheet and this all these methods. Okay, okay, once again thank you. I hope you understand. I hope you are understand something about Revit structure, how to create the models, shear wall, how to create the schedules and others, etc. Tomorrow we'll discuss on reinforcement detailing, load acting, analyzing robot structure, how to check the shear force, bending moment, and all of us. Okay. Now I complete this section. Any doubt you will ask me. Tomorrow we'll discuss on other parts. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Sir, சார் அந்த ஃபீட்பேக் லிங்க் நீங்க யூடியூப்லயும் போட்டுறீங்களாங்க சார்? என்னோட இதுல போயிங்க சார், கேட்டிருக்காங்க. எஸ். இல்ல சார், யூடியூப் ஃபீட்பேக் லிங்க் கேக்குறாங்க. இல்ல சார், அதுல ஃபீட்பேக் லிங்க் கேக்குறாங்க முடிச்சோம். ஓகேங்க சார், ஓகேங்க சார். Sir, not a YouTube link. Someone asked the feedback link in YouTube, sir. Thank you. இல்ல சார், லைவ்ல அது யூடியூப் லிங்க். Any doubt, will ask me. Okay, sir.